Hi, Maddie.
Hi, Maddie.
What are you doing? You eating breakfast? Ew, gross. What are you eating?
Pancakes.
What?
Pancakes.
Pancakes? Is it good?
Yes.
Yeah. Where's Mommy?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't remember?
Yeah. In your face.
In your face?
In your face. In your face. In your face.
Anything else new?
In your face, haha.
Is that it?
Yeah.
In your face, haha. What are you doing today?
Sing with Lucy.
You're gonna sing with Lucy? What are you gonna sing?
No. Staying with Lucy.
Oh, you're just gonna stay with Lucy. Okay. Well, I just wanted to take a quick video of you so that we always remember what you were like this age. You say thank you.
Thank you.
So have a great day, everybody.
Have a great day.
See ya.
See you.